Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here let's pick the shooting methods. Now at the first place we have press volume key to option, so when we tap on it we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, zoom or control system volume. So let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom now by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.